Hello everyone. We are here today to present you Virtual Labs, an initiative taken by the Ministry of Human Resources and Development. Now, why do we need virtual labs? The answer is easy. We need virtual labs because we don't have the access to our physical labs yet. Due to COVID-19, we are all stranded in our houses in quarantine. Also, we don't have the resources we need or the proper equipment we require to perform our experiments. So, what is the answer? The answer is Virtual Labs, an online platform to perform experiments accurately and learn at home. These are the labs that can be accessed at any time and anywhere. They are freely available to everyone and easily accessible through internet on PC and laptop. Here, you can learn at your own pace through various resources that are available to you. Over 100 labs filled with innovative experiments are available to make you understand your subject in a better way. What is the objective of Virtual Lab? It provides a remote access to all the labs that you require in science and engineering, catering to all the needs of the students, whether undergraduate, postgraduate, or research scholars. It allows the students to learn on their own and develop their own skills in different fields, not only the ones in their course, but also the new off course subjects that satisfy their curiosity. It provides a learning management system with all the web resources, animated demonstrations, and self evaluating quizzes that you might need to succeed. Virtual Lab has divided all the available labs into different areas according to their branches. It makes them easy to find and practice. Like the labs related to chemistry can be found in chemical science. Similarly, the labs related to civil engineering can be found in civil engineering. Virtual Lab has been developed by the top colleges in India and has over 400 nodal centers conducting over 800 workshops across the country with more than 16 lakh users. And we are happy to tell you that our college is one of those centers. So, in a nutshell, you can say that Virtual Lab is an on demand lab with integrated learning, complete with all the animated tutorials, interactive simulation, and self evaluating quizzes. You have here an opportunity to make your own mistakes and learn from them, all in the comfort of your home. So, let's take a one click tour to our lab. How to open Virtual Lab? First, you need to go to your browser and type in VLAB. The first link that appears will take you directly to the home page of Virtual Labs. The homepage of Virtual Labs is designed in an interactive way to make it easier for the students to navigate it. You can sign up for the newsletter or learn about the new labs that are being developed. You can also contact them if you have any further queries. You can see that right in the middle of the web page, there are broad areas of Virtual Lab in which labs have been divided into different areas accordingly. Let us see the physical science area. This has a labs that are ready for use in physical science. They have the reference books and the syllabus mapping of the lab. Solid state physical lab. This has a list of experiments given to it along with a short explanation on what the experiment is. One of them is Hall effect experiment. If you're familiar with it, then there is a lot of theory here which you can just read to jog your memory. But don't worry, if you're not familiar with the subject or the topic, then you can just go on to the procedure and check how the experiment is done. The procedure is really explanatory. You can just go to the self-evaluation center and check on what you have learned by taking a simple quiz about it. To the simulator and perform the experiment. You can change the controls by either changing them by clicking on the appliances itself, or you can go to the control panel and change them by there. There are worksheets available that will be filled automatically according to your experiment. So, I hope you have understood on what the virtual lab is. Virtual labs can be accessed through PC, laptop, even on your smartphones. For PC and laptop, you need a Flash extension, while for your smartphone, you need a Puffin browser. For any further queries or any new lab suggestion, you can contact the faculty coordinators, co-coordinators, or any of your branch members. Thank you for watching.